Hello friends, fiber optic lessons start. This is Sophia from Hong Kong Honserv Limited. Welcome to my channel. In the previous lesson, we introduced optical fiber cable. We know cables cannot be connected by direct contact and binding. Instead, they need to be installed with connectors to make patch cord to achieve interconnection with devices. So, today, let's talk about patch cord. Patch cord is composed of a fiber optic cable and two connectors at both ends. Patch cord follows two standards. 1. The structure of the connector. 2. The shape of the connector's ceramic ferrule. Here are some commonly used connectors structures. FC, we call it round head. SC, we call it big square head. LC, we call it little square head. Besides the common connectors we usually use, there are other types like ST, E2000, and MPO. MPO is a multi-core connector. The ceramic ferrule shapes are not complicated. They are only UPC and APC. UPC evolved from the PC. The surface of the ferrule is not flat, but has a slight gradient to achieve a more precise connection. The end face is dome-shaped. The return loss is about minus 50 dB or higher. APC is unlike UPC. The connector end face is precisely polished and forms an angle of 8 degrees with the fiber cladding. This shape can reduce reflection and make most of the return loss reflected into the cladding. So, it will not interfere with the transmission signal and damage the laser source. The APC return loss is about minus 60 dB or higher. When we describe a connector, we need to include both the connector structure and the shape of the connector ceramic ferrule. For example, FC APC, SC UPC, LC APC. In addition, optical fiber is divided into single mode and multi-mode according to the transmission mode. Single mode patch cord is generally indicated by yellow, and the connectors and protective sleeve is blue. It has a long transmission distance. Multi-mode patch cord is generally indicated by orange, and some are represented in gray, and the connectors and protective covers are in beige or black. Its transmission distance is relatively shorter. Okay, above information is the whole content of Lecture 2. Patch cord solves the connection problem of the communication equipment. Here is a question. Do you know during the network operation and maintenance, which type of failure has the highest probability of the occurrence? Please follow our updates. I will tell you in the next lesson. See you!